Hello guys, I've got a Renault Scenic here, okay, and I've got the owner. She came to me and said, oh, the ESP light is coming on, and I said, look, bring the car, this could be dangerous. I'm not going to let you go home. So she brought the car to me, and then I've got the Bosch in there plugged in. Maybe let me show you where you plug in. That's our 16-pin plug. So I went through a global scan on the computer. I went through a global scan. I got nothing. So I just went to the, I'll do this with, right? I'll do this with you here. If we go to the ABS, let's go to the ABS. I'll show you. 0 faults. And then it dawned. She told me that she had changed one of the wheels. She took a wheel from a Megane and then she fitted it. We need to salute her for changing wheels on her own. She is really, really good. That was good. But this is where the problem is. With her changing the wheel, this is what happened. I want you to look at that. This is a 195. This is 19565 R15, right? 91T. Right, okay, so I'll take you to the other side and you can see. So when you come to this side, these are the original wheels, okay? There you go, 205 55 R17. The other wheel is R16. So what is happening here? The two wheels are turning at different speeds, and that is what is triggering the ESP. There's nothing wrong with this car. All that is needed. Maybe let me show you the other wheels so that I can prove. Right, here's the other wheel. That's that's the front passenger. The first one that I showed you was a rear passenger. So let's go to the driver. Here is the front driver. Okay, there you go, 205. Okay, so we have got only one wheel that is 195. So there you go. There is the problem. If you put two wheels on the same axle that are not the same, this is 16 Technot. It's actually a 15. It's not even a 16. This is a 15, and the other ones are 17s. So that's the reason why the ESP is being triggered, because these wheels are turning at different speeds. Therefore, if I come to the computer here, I am getting nothing. So watch out for this kind of an error. It happens many, many, many times. It's something that you need to watch out for. So the 195, that's the width. The 65, that's the aspect ratio. The 15 is the wheel diameter. The 91 is the load index, and the T is the speed index. So if you check the other one, is a 205. Straight away, the width is different, and the diameter is 17. So it's 17 versus 15. That's what is triggering the problem. So we'll get this sorted for her, but I just thought I should make you aware of this. Lessons learned. Thank you. Right, everyone. Yesterday, I told you about the wrong wheel that was fitted. Remember the 195 when it's supposed to be a 205, 55, R17, okay? But here you can see we've got 195, 65, R15. So what this has been doing, it has been triggering the ESP light here and there. It was intermittent. It was bringing it on and off, on and off, on and off. So I went in with the diagnostic machine. I couldn't find anything. Then I remembered that I was told that there was a wheel that was changed. So when I came in to check, I realized that they were different. So what I'm doing today is to fit the right size, a 17, not a 15. So here's the problem. See the studs, they're exactly the same. So this wheel, a 195, is for the Megane. This is for a Scenic. So be careful, the people that drive Renaults. Yes, you might have 5 studs, but watch and see the diameter of the rims and see if they are the same. So I'm going to correct that now so that we don't have this ESP light flashing on and off.